Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use TEMU coupons. Now be sure to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified as to when we upload a new video. Be sure to go ahead and watch throughout the entire end so you don't miss a single detail. Now that we are in the TEMU app, what we're going to do is we're going to be going on this U section right here. So let's click on U. And then we're going to be taking a look at coupons and offers right here. So if you have any coupons available, you can go right on ahead and enter the coupon code right here and then click apply. And then you should be able to get some form of code from those coupons. So those coupons give some form of additional rewards or additional bundles that you can go ahead and use. So within that coupon code, you should be able to see another code that you can go ahead and search. So what we're going to do is we're going to be going back and then we're going to go all the way down here and then click on categories. So from that coupon code, we can go ahead and search for that code that we have gotten from that. So say for example that we have a coupon code, code 123 or something like that. You can go ahead and then search for it. And if the code is correct, then you should be able to see all of the different bundles right here. Well, that's it for the video. See you guys next time.